The market is preparing for big swings after Nvidia reports later. It's Wednesday, 28th of May, and here's what you need to know. It's a big day for big tech. Semiconductor giant Nvidia is forecast to report a 66.2% surge in revenue to $43.28 billion later. Take a look at its performance so far this year. That's our chart of the day. As you can see, it's already seen some big swings. That matters because its market cap is so large that it could cause industry-wide volatility. It's the second most valuable company in the world and one of the most traded stocks. Wall Street will be listening out for any comments on just how much US export rules limiting sales to China might have cost the company. CEO Jensen Huang has already complained those export rules are too strict and estimated the cost at $15 billion in lost sales. You may have missed that the fast fashion giant Shion is now preparing to go public in Hong Kong after its plans for a London listing failed to get approval from Chinese regulators. Sources told Reuters it plans to go public by the end of the year. It did initially want to list in New York, so this is the second time the company has been forced to backtrack. The eventual valuation of that listing will depend on the impact of the scrapping of what's called the de minimis loophole that used to allow packages under $800 to arrive in the US from China tax-free. Now they're subject to a tariff of at least 30%. Watch out later for earnings from Macy's. It's expected to report a fall in revenue as Americans rein in their spending. That stock is already down almost 30% this year. Also reporting today are Abercrombie & Fitch and Capri Holdings, which owns Michael Kors. And our stock of the day is Stellantis. The Italian owners of Chrysler named Antonio Filosa as their new CEO this morning. Now he's got to turn around a company that saw a 70% drop in net profit last year. That stock is down 26% so far this year. It is still the world's fourth largest car maker, but some analysts think it will be forced to sell some of its 14 brands. And that's what you need to know this morning.